Morning, Judge, or
Good
afternoon.
morning.
Please unmute Mr. Rice. Calling
Hello.
2023-2641 DM Trisha Rice versus James Rice. Today is Monday, February 12, 2024 at 1:40 p.m.
Court will note the appearance of Ms. Bendelay in this matter on behalf of the plaintiff. This is set for a status conference. When we were back in court on January 8, 2024, Mr. Buckland had stated he believed that they had settled this matter, and we were a bit stymied at that point because the defendant didn't appear. Ms. Bendelay, enlighten me, where are we at?
Yes, Your Honor. As the court noted, we had a scheduling conference on January 8th. Looks like Attorney Buckland had sent a judgment of divorce for review and signature to the parties on January 23rd. There was some subsequent email correspondence with Mr. Rice. I believe on February 5th, he had emailed essentially a counter proposal asking about a zero-turn mower or a wedding ring, which was declined. It's my understanding the parties have two mowers and Mr. Rice is getting one. My client was getting the other. On Friday, it looks like Mr. Buckland got an email from Mr. Rice about the judgment of divorce. It seemed that they had an agreement with the judgment of divorce. Mr. Rice indicated effectively that it better be as Mr. Buckland had explained, and that he would be in to go over exact items. My client did sign that judgment of divorce electronically today. It's waiting on signature from Mr. Rice. So at this point in time, it's really the only information I have. I'm not sure with Mr. Rice if he's planning on signing it or not.
Let me check. Mr. Rice, do we have an agreement and a settlement in this matter?
We can, but I want to make a giant statement first. Am I allowed a big statement?
No, this is a status conference. I'm just checking on what the status of the case is. Not a case to air any dirty laundry or make statements. Just a matter, do we have a settlement or do we not have a settlement?
Fine, consider my signatures.
Okay. So have you received from Mr. Buckland the judgment, sir?
I don't know. I really don't know. I paid little attention to. I don't know. Just
okay.
Consider it signed.
Okay. Well, check your email and see if again it's signed.
I think this is the justice. She committed adultery. She
okay, sir. Again, I don't need a statement. Sir, I don't need a statement. Okay. If you want to make a statement, go out in your backyard and yell at the wind, okay? Because at this point, I don't need to hear that. So, well, I will wait and see if we do have a resolution in this matter. If not, then the intent is
I don't get any child support or nothing. She sold herself and sold out her family. But okay. Whatever. I signed. Consider the divorce signed.
Okay.
I don't have enough gas money to drive over to sign the paper.
Your Honor, if I may confirm Mr. Rice's email to make sure we send it to the correct place.
I don't know how to email.
Oh, sir, because I see that we have some correspondence with you and our staff at J. Is that the correct notice for you?
That's correct, but I don't know how to e-sign anything. I would have signed it 2 weeks ago if I knew how to e-sign.
Ms. Benelay, why don't you send a paper copy? He can sign that and then return it to you.
I will do so, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, and then get the front of the court approval, and then we'll be able to, after the time runs, to be able to complete it.
Thank you, Judge.
Question, Judge. Yes. Judge. Question. If I can find a ride and sign that today, will it be signed? Will you sign it off by Valentine's Day?
Yeah. I will not, because the time frame is not run yet to do that. It's a 180-day waiting period, and today is only the 133 days. So by statute, By statute, I can't sign it until after the 180 days.
But what we can do, Mr. Rice, is get that sent in. And that way, once the 180 days comes up, then judge can sign it if it's on his desk before then. So we just need to make sure we get it to judge at that time frame.
She lived here a year.
Sir, it's 180 days from the date of filing, and that's statutory. I can't change that.
So. Mr. Rice, I'm sorry, Judge. Are you at the 6 Mile Road address still, Mr. Rice?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
We'll send that out and get it done, Miss Bendelay, if you would. When you do have that signed, let my office know, and then we won't have to schedule anything further.
Certainly. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Court will end this matter at 1:45 p.m. You're free to go. Have a good day.
Thank you as well.